If you're trying to escape your 9-to-5 job and land a remote career in 2026, you've probably heard about this platform, Dynamite Jobs. But here's the thing that most people don't talk about. I've spent the last 60 days actually using Dynamite Jobs, applying to roles, analyzing the platforms, and I found something really interesting. Most remote job sites are filled with scams, hybrid roles disguised as remote, and jobs that actually disappeared 3 months ago. But Dynamite Jobs claims they're actually different. They say that every job is curated, vetted, or even tailored, remote first and from legitimate companies. So in this video, I'm breaking down what Dynamite Jobs actually is about, who it's actually for, the pros and cons nobody ever talks about, and whether it's worth your time to find remote jobs in 2026. Because if you're one of those 25 to 34-year-old transitioning into remote work, you need to know this before you even waste hours applying. By the way, I'm Aggie, and I help early career professionals transition from their boring 9-to-5 unstable job into skill-based and location-flexible remote careers. I've been working remotely for 3 years, and I've tested over 20 remote job sites, so you don't actually have to spend time researching these remote jobs over and over again. And trust me, I've seen the good and I've seen the bad and the straight-up scams. So without further ado, let's get started into Dynamite Jobs. Alright, so what is Dynamite Jobs exactly? Dynamite Jobs is a remote job board that actually started in 2017. What makes it different is that they manually curate every single listing, and by every single listing, meaning all of them. That means no hybrid roles sneaking in, no remote with some asterisks, and supposedly no outdated jobs. The platform focuses on these main categories. First is customer support, second is marketing, third is tech and development, fourth is design, and the fifth one is operations, HR. And here's what actually stands out about Dynamite Jobs. Most listings actually show the salary ranges up front, and this is quite unique because not a lot of job posts actually show the real salary range. Because let's be real, wouldn't it be great if all job sites actually do this? Because if you're transitioning or switching careers from your full-time to remote full-time, that would make all the huge difference. But there's actually a catch, and this is where most reviews won't actually tell you the exact truth. Now, let's take a look at Dynamite Jobs, shall we? If you click on the link down below to follow along, you would probably land at this page, which is Dynamite Jobs. The first slogan, it says, find your next remote job today. Like I said in the beginning, they're remote first employers who offer 100% work from home jobs. That means no hybrid roles or no remote jobs, but it requires to go to an office at least 2 times a week. You know how it goes. And directly, the website gives you the first desired outcome, which is the job listing. You can see a lot of job listing like customer success manager with a $35,000 per year in Latin America, or even video editor, graphic designer, even junior account executive in the US, and even people operations manager, $100,000 in a year. And again, what actually makes them different is that working remotely earns you that flexible hour, work from anywhere, learn, grow, and advance, and also you can actually measure result and not by the hours. Alright, so let's get our profile started, shall we? I'm just gonna sign up right now, create a new account. For example, my email would be full name Aggie Steven, strong password, press continue. So it's telling me to choose my job preferences, which I'll receive email alerts the moment a job is posted. So this is actually a good assistant from them, that if you're somewhat jobless, you would probably find like good job posting based on what you chose. I'm probably going to pick around business development and sales and account management. Add a category, maybe this one too. All right, so you can actually pick lots of categories. I'm probably going to pick another one, which is community manager, and the job alert setting, I'm probably not gonna do it. I'm just gonna show you the review. But if you're actually someone who wants to start out working remotely as soon as possible, clicking on this subscribe setting would actually do you good. So I'm just gonna press next here. All right, now it's telling me select at least 3 skills you have that will help us match you to employers. I'm probably gonna say project management, content creation. Let me say YouTube analytics, YouTube management, and probably going to be product data analysis analysis skill, and I'm probably going to type in next. So it's telling me directly to what is my expected salary. Candidates who make their expected salary public are most likely to be contracted by employers. All right, so probably in a year, I'm probably looking for somewhere about $100,000 to maybe $110,000 in a given year. You can actually hide salary from these companies, but it's telling us like if you actually show like what you want, you know, it'll be easy for you to negotiate the salary later than on. So I'm just gonna press next here and voila. I think the account profile setup is very quick, unlike most any job sites, and the best thing is it's not telling me to pay or anything like that. Okay, and then I'll probably add my work experience. What I would probably say is that there is no like AI tools that I can just put in my CV and it will directly show up with all the information like any other remote job site. That will probably be pretty helpful. If I were to write my time, that would probably take a while, and you know, listing out my work experience, education and training, job application answers, the languages I have, and also the profile links like social media and stuff. I think let me just upload my resume right now. So I'm gonna drag in my resume and see if they can actually upload all the information. Okay, there should be some magic happening around here, but cool. There's nothing happening so far. So by completing your profile, our team will be able to send you relevant job match. Okay, so I'll probably need to finish this profile. I've already uploaded my resume. It's not filling out any information like in the work experience, education and training. So that for me is what would set me back. And I'll probably go right now to my jobs, right? Since this is what we're all looking for. I'll probably need to take time completing all my profiles, so you can do that in your time later. But for this video, I'm just going to skip for, you know, towards the my job section, and directly it already analyzed what is recommended for your job. So like I said, I have my skills is in project management, YouTube analytics, and also analysis skills. It's giving me the head of community. Let's see if it actually matches with you. If you're passionate about building community, growing people, this is actually good. Like I can see how it matches it. Business development and representative in the UK, UKI. Okay, since I picked the category like business development, I think it also matches. Developer community manager, let's check. So 4 to 7 years of experience, and let's check whether there's the salary. All right, so I think despite everything, like the only job post that actually show the salary ranges is the first job post that actually appeared here, which is the head of community, the tech tribe. Other than that, I don't think any other platforms actually show their salary ranges, where I could be wrong. There's one here, but the second one, and I would probably say there's not a lot of salary ranges according to what actually fits my criteria, which is $100,000 and $110,000 in a year. All right, so overall, you can always change like the category that you want to find, like say community manager, and the skills and the location you can also find like in US or Europe, and the salary I would probably say 10K plus, right? Or 6 to 10K plus. All right, so it's showing me like some remote jobs that is available here. This one was a good remote job, which is like it's closing in 7 days. It's also like a promoted job. But let's say you've got a notification here that says a new job. I don't think there's actually showing like salary. And also director community and developer advocacy, it's telling me that it's $220,000 towards $240,000 in a year, which is in Canada, opened 4 days ago. So this is something that I'll be interested in. But again, I should be like seeing here like what is beneficial. Like I'll be seeing about the requirements, like what do I need, which is 10 years of a relevant experience, strong technical and credibility with builders, and also, you know, others bullet points that they're mentioning here. So that is my overall thought about the whole platform. Let's see if you're going for something in, find another one, e-commerce, for example. So there is jobs in e-commerce, which is good. Like usually like e-commerce jobs are really hard to get remotely. And also data analysis, I think since that's like on demand, I'm just gonna test out different, you know, data analyst and business analyst. All right, so yeah, like senior business data analyst, and this is fully remote. Let me check. Yeah, while this is a remote role, you must reside in the United States and in the Eastern or Central time zone. Okay, so although they're offering remote, like their packaging is remote, but you need to be a resident in the current place or the current location. So I would probably say that that's not really a remote role. Like I would probably say a remote position is, you know, you can work anywhere, from anywhere you want. That's what they were promising, right? That is basically like my review of the whole user interface. I'll probably give the user interface like an 8 to 9, like on a good day. But in terms of the job posts that are actually very good quality job, I wouldn't say there's a lot of salary ranges, because that's what they promise, is that there's always going to be salary ranges in every job post. But looking at the current job post, I probably can find probably like 6 to 7 job posts with like salary ranges, and the rest are, confidential. I would probably test out, is this for, like, let's say if you're someone of like an entry level, so I wouldn't make like the salary like big. I'll probably make it 500 to even 3K, and I'm going to see whether the experiences matter, like proven experience as a data analyst. Okay, proficiency in SQL, cool. There's no experiences needed. Okay, experience of at least 3 years in a relevant area, like junior business analyst with 2.4K to 3.6K per month. And this is 1 or 3 experience in business analysis or project management role. So this is still attainable. Like if I were starting out my career, let's see if it's still like remote work environment, experience in asynchronous first, calm and deep work environment inspired by successful remote companies like Doist, Buffer, and GitLab. Okay, so it's not necessarily telling you that you need to be in their specific country to be able to work remotely, but you can also be in other countries to work remotely. So this is what I would say a great, amazing opportunity. Like if you're starting out your career in $2,200 to even $3,400 USD per month, like if you're someone living in Southeast Asia, that's crazy. And the best part is that they're using Deal. What Deal is a payroll software services that will actually handle all your payroll for you, and it's always compliant with your labor laws in the country that you're residing in. So I'll probably say this is a really good like job post. But eventually like this job is closed. Of course, it's too good to still be in there. But you can also check out like this job. Like I don't think there's like specific salary, but I would say in terms of entry-level job position, that it's still doable. Like people can look at Dynamite Jobs and see some quality jobs within it. So now that I've shown you how Dynamite Jobs actually work, now I'm going to walk you towards the pros in which I found interesting and the cons too, which I didn't found somewhat beneficial for me at least. And here are 5 of my biggest pros. And they held up to their promise actually. Every job that I saw was manually reviewed. I didn't see a scam listing, or at least have some radar that this company might be selling you a fake job kind of list. And you might be comparing that to Indeed or LinkedIn Jobs, where you can actually see a lot of fake scam job postings. And the second one is transparent salaries. Like I would say 40 to even 50% shows the job salary in what they've promised, but the other 50%, and I would probably say they wouldn't show that job salary range directly. This could probably save you a lot of time if you're eager to find or transition into remote work. But then again, you would be competing with lots of other applicants out there. Like I said in my screen share walkthrough, the third one is that clean user interface. The platform from signing up to finding your remote job is actually very easy to use. You can filter by salary, location, job categories, and even time zone. In my opinion, it's very intuitive, even for beginners. The fourth one is remote first companies. Like you've seen before, I've actually covered this in my previous video about soft skills in a remote work culture. And one of the job posts actually said asynchronous communication, which is one of the most important factors that you need to know when it comes to working remotely. The companies posting here have actually a remote first culture built around it. They're not just companies who are allowing remote because of COVID, but they're actually built for it. This is one of the things which I've liked about Dynamite Jobs. And the fifth one is job alert works. If you're someone who is eager to transition quickly from your traditional 9 to 5 into a remote work, I would probably say this job is a good. Because if you actually sign up for their alerts, and you would always get relevant up-to-date job information available to you, not spam or random emails, this is actually a positive factor. Now, to make this video somewhat balanced, although I really like Dynamite Jobs so far, I might need to throw the dynamite a little bit far, because if I don't tell you this, you're going to waste your time. The first con is smaller volume. Compared to We Work Remotely or Remote Co, Dynamite Jobs, although it's curated and tailored, it has fewer job listings. You'll find maybe 50 to even 100 job posts in a week. But these are good because they're not spamming you with fake jobs or scammy ones. They're very curated and it's always gonna be a remote. But it's going to be a few. If you're someone who likes to apply to tons of application, this might not be it for you. The second part is high competition. I think we can say that they are very focused on quality applicants because the jobs are vetted, everyone applies. And again, I saw a job post that I actually really like and it was already closed. So that actually show there's going to be tons of applicants out there, but if you believe in yourself, Dynamite Jobs might be it for you. The third con is not beginner friendly. Again, a lot of roles which I've saw actually need experience between 1 to even 10 years of experience. If you're someone fresh out of college with no skills, you want to start working remotely, I'll probably say do not start off with this platform right away. And the fourth con is not from my own review, but I've actually heard someone saying that the job post redirect you to the company's website, which I would probably say it breaks out the whole user interface, which they've been doing well so far. The fifth con is limited entry-level roles. As you saw in my screen share walkthrough, like I did try to find $500 to even $3,000 for like an entry-level position role, and most of them require at least 1 to even 2 years of experience. And then again, the competition is high, so like if you're someone who has a high level of experience, people will already still be competing in this job post. So yeah, watch out for that. All right, to end the video, my honest take about Dynamite Jobs. The big question is Dynamite Jobs worth it? It honestly really depends on where you are in your remote career journey. Let's say you are a complete beginner who wants to work remotely. I would probably say or give you an advice to not start here. I would advise you to build your skills in platforms like Contra, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn Jobs. Get 6 to even 12 months of experience, then you can actually come back to Dynamite Jobs. But if you're someone starting out with 1 or 2 years of experience, then yes, this is your remote job site. Dynamite Jobs, what I would say, is perfect for professionals with some background who wants a stable and full-time income remote position. And let's say you already accumulated all those experience, you have like 5 to even 10 years of experience behind you. I would probably say you're wasting a lot of your opportunities scrolling through this website, because let's be real, you can find better opportunities in remote 100K, which always have a lot of listings of $100,000 job position remotely. Dynamite Jobs, what I would say, is perfect for intermediate professionals with 2 to even 5 years of experience. They are what I would say is for mid-level roles, not senior level leadership. But here's the thing, Dynamite Jobs isn't just a magic bullet. You still need to customize your resume for each job, write tailored cover letters, network on LinkedIn, and follow up with your recruiters through their email. This platform just makes finding real remote job easier. It doesn't apply for you. Alright, that's it then, my full breakdown of Dynamite Jobs in 2026. To conclude, I would probably say if you have 1 or 2 years experience, start with Dynamite Jobs, and you're someone looking for a serious remote work or position, then yes, this platform is 100% fitted for you. But if you're a complete beginner, like I said, do not focus on this. And if you're someone with 5 to even 10 years of experience, then other platforms like Remote 100K and also Arc would probably do you good. Now, if you want my full list of 15 best remote job sites that I've spent months researching, ranked by your experience level, you can actually watch my video right over here. Well, I'll go through over all the job site in much more detail. Drop a comment and let me know whether you'll be using Dynamite Jobs. This is Sid from Eggy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.